Welcome to Teruna Muda Secondary School, a place where learning, creativity, and character grow together. Our school offers a warm and vibrant environment, starting from the moment you step through our gates. In our classrooms, students are encouraged to explore ideas, collaborate with peers, and actively participate in every lesson. Beyond the classroom, students have the opportunity to express themselves in the music room, unleash their creativity in the art room, develop digital skills in the ICT lab, and explore the wonders of science through experiments in our well-equipped laboratory. When it's time to recharge, students enjoy playtime. From a friendly foosball match, basketball on our court, to soccer on our spacious field. Here are the facilities we provide at Teruna Muda Secondary School. Classrooms with in-focus projectors and whiteboards, science laboratories, music room with guitar, drum, piano, and bass, art room, computer room with desktops and in-focus projectors, library, indoor play area with tennis and foosball tables, lunch area, sports hall for basketball, football, badminton and volleyball, mini soccer field, and a spacious parking area. At Teruna Muda, education goes beyond books. We nurture life skills, healthy habits, and teamwork through extracurricular activities, special events, and our Healthy Monday program. Our vision is to provide a thorough education that encourages every student to reach their full potential, both inside and outside the classroom, shaping graduates who are self-reliant, responsible, and successful in a complex, rapidly changing world with a heart to give life, love, inspiration, faith, and encouragement to everyone around them. Give your child more than education. Give them a future with heart. Teruna Muda Secondary School, learning for all.